In this video, you are going to learn how to make pizza at home. So the first thing I added was my flour, I added my yeast, I added sugar, and I added salt. I'm going to drop the measurements in the class. So I added water to it. So after adding water, the next thing I will be adding is my vegetable oil. You can either use vegetable oil or you use olive oil for your pizza. Anyone is just fine. So I'm just going to give that a stir, then I'm going to knead it with my hand. If you have mixer, you can knead it with your mixer for 10 minutes. If you are kneading with mixer, at least 5 minutes is okay, but if you are kneading with hand, knead for at least 10 minutes till it's soft. So once you are done kneading, just put a little vegetable oil in the bowl, then place your dough inside and let it rest for at least an hour. The next thing you will do is to cut your chicken breast into chunks. Then you are going to marinate your chicken with your chicken seasoning, your oyster sauce. I added garlic to it, garlic powder. I added salt. Then I'm using seasoning cube. So I'm just going to give that a stir. Then I'll add my curry. So after marinating your chicken, the next thing you will do is to add it into your pan. I added a little bit of vegetable oil to my pan. So I'm just going to fry that for at least 5 minutes till it's brown like this. So I added extra vegetable oil to my pan. Then I'm going to add in my tomato paste. So just fry that a little, then add in water to it. So you're just going to give it a stir, then you add in just a little amount of chicken seasoning. So you're going to bring it out from the heat, then pour it inside a bowl. So you're going to add in a little amount of ketchup to it, then you add in your a little amount of chili sauce. So this is how to make your pizza sauce. Or so the next thing you do is to bring out your dough. You're just going to press it down to remove the air, then brush your pizza pan with your vegetable oil. If you have butter, you can use butter. So you are just going to roll out that dough, then you are going to spread it on your pan. So once you are done spreading it, the next thing you will do is to add in your pizza sauce to it. So you are just going to rub that. Then the next thing you do is to add in your mozzarella cheese. Then you start adding in your toppings. So you need to be generous with your cheese. So I added chicken to it. So the next thing I'll be adding is my bell peppers. I'm using the red, the green, and the yellow bell peppers to give it a colorful look. So I just added a little amount of onions. So after that, I'm going to add in my sausages to it. So you can either use chicken or you use beef. Either you use chicken or beef, anyone is just fine. Then you are going to add in extra cheese to it. Like I said, you have to be very generous with your cheese. So after doing that, you are just going to bake that for about 10 to 15 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius.